These days in the shop you can buy a lot of different stuff, and what I found in one of the central shops is quite a nice gift. Basically it's all the ingredients you need to bake some bread. The seller in the shop told me that even the total no could bake a bread like that. Now it's a very good present. I want to see if it works. I never tried this before, and as you can see we have different components here. We have the yeast, we have the flour, and we have some grains, and here it's written it's Körnerbrot, which is grain bread. Unfortunately it's only in German. I bought it in Switzerland, in Lausanne, and all you have to do is to add 375 milliliters of warm water, mix well together for 2 minutes, let it be for 20 minutes, wait until it rises up, and then put it either 175 degrees on the top level of the oven, or 190 degrees Celsius on the bottom layer of level of oven for 25-30 minutes, and then let it rest for 15-20 minutes. So let's bake and see, why not? So talking about the different layers, we have yeast on the bottom, then we have a flour part, and then we have different grains, a lot of different grains. 135 milliliters of water. Now for those of you who doesn't know how much is 375 milliliters of water, take a bottle of wine, and remember that half a bottle of wine is exactly 375 milliliters of water. So you can drink the bottle of wine and then pour warm water that would fill up a half a bottle, and you're good to go. Let's mix the ingredients, let's go. I'm gonna do it in the Kenwood machine. You don't have to do it, I just want to brag about it, I have it. First thing first, I think we need to change the hook to a doormaker one. It's quite easy to do with Kenwood. What we do is, we open this, we're gonna put it in, the whole thing. Now we're at 375 milliliters of water. Let's set a timer, 2 minutes. And see the process. 2 minutes has passed. Let's see what we have. Oh, nice. So as you can see, we got dough. Now we let it rest for 20 minutes, and then we see what we have in 20 minutes. I think we should cover it up. See you in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Ta-da! Let's mix again for a bit. You see, it forms like a perfect cube. Boink. Take something where we're gonna bake it. Spray some olive oil on it. Take. I'll let it rest for 5 minutes, maybe 10, and then we're good to go to the oven. And we'll put it in the oven, 195 degrees, 25 minutes. And with a miracle of time, we have this. Cool down a bit. Take it out. Oh my! Whew. This looks good. This is nice. Maybe another one. Oh, it's hot. Amazing. This is great. This is what we have in the end. Let's try a piece. It's just a bit salty for me. Now, as a summary, I would say that this bread in a bottle is amazing. Well, it's not the bread in a bottle, it's ingredients for the bread in the bottle. There were different breads. Instructions are quite clear. The only thing, I would actually use some egg white on top, so it would be like shiny, or maybe some melted butter, so it's a bit more shiny. It's a bit salty, but again, you don't have to add any salt or sugar. It's pre-made. Well, it's not pre-made. It's you have all the ingredients already there, so it's just mix this and water or milk. But water is better. Maybe some beer, and you'll get amazing results. Just follow the rules. This would be a really nice present, maybe even Christmas present for people who tell everyone that they don't eat bread. They will definitely check this out. Or for the people that use baking as their hobby, it's gonna be an amazing present. Now you can find this in most of the central shops. Just go to, if you live in the city or in a town, just go into central shop and then ask for a bread in a bottle. The only thing I didn't like is the price, because the price was some like 17 francs, which is like 15 euros or 17 bucks, which is a lot, because bread should not cost that much. But again, it's not the bread that you buy. You buy some time of enjoyment and fulfillment for your friends, for example, for Christmas or for any other big thing like a birthday or whatever. And summer is over, therefore we can start eating bread again. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, hit the dislike button. And I want to show you more recipes later. Thank you. Bye.